Hey people, welcome to Nasike's kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare potato samosas. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment and share. For the ingredients that I'm going to use as inserts are these are Irish potatoes. I've diced them and boiled. Then we have coriander or dania, onions and carrots. And then for the wrappers we are going to use flour to make them. So I'm going to measure using this cup, 2 cups. And we are going to make the dough first, and then this is the first cup. Then this is the second cup. And remember, you can use any wheat flour of your choice. There is no problem. And then I'm going to add some salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I'll mix them together. We add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Then we mix nicely. I'm going to use cold water or water that is in room temperature, but feel free if you would want to use hot water is also okay. I'll be adding bit by bit as I mix because I'm making a dough. Cooking pot, I'm going to add some oil, cooking oil. Then I add onions. I'll add dania and coriander. Then I'll mix everything together nicely. It's ready. I'll transfer it in a dish. After it has rested, I'm going to the next step. Put it on my surface. I need a bit. Then I'll start putting into small pieces. Here are our doughs. Let's get to the next step. In this next step, what I'm going to do, this is my dough, and this is cooking oil. I'm going to spread my cooking oil on top of it. I take another dough, put oil on it, and then that side that you put oil, you attach it to the other part. You see, like this. Yeah. I'll repeat again. You take one dough, you spread oil on top of it, and then you put it, you set it aside. Then you take another dough, you spread oil on top of it, and then you attach the part that has oil on top with the part that has oil. You attach like that. Spread some flour on my working space. Then I'll use this one. It's called a rolling pin to fold it like that. And the purpose of us putting oil on it is that when it's put on a cooking pan, yeah, for chapati, it will start removing itself because there's oil. After rolling, that's how it looks. You can see that there's a layer here and there's a layer here. When we put it or subject it to heat, you'll see it will come out. So in my cooking pan, I'm going to add the dough. And I'll let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then I turn the other side. That is good to go. So I'll set it aside and then I'll remove it later. So you remove it like this until it's completely removed. You can see how soft they are. Here they are. You can see how lovely they look. I'm going to cut them into half, then we get to the next step. This is how they look. Let's get to the next step. So to make this paste, I've added some water with some flour, wheat flour, and then I've mixed. This is the consistency that I want. So this is your wrapper. You put it this way, you fold it on the right side, and then you put your paste like that. Then you fold it on the right side. I folded first on the left and then on the right, and then you put your paste. You can see how it looks. This is how it's supposed to look. Now I'm going to add my insert like that. That is enough. Then this part you you're supposed to fold it again like that. And on this part we are going to add the paste. We're going to put our paste like that, and then we cover. You can see it's not very complicated, it's very simple, very simple. And here's our samosa. I'll set it aside and we repeat the same process to the others. Yeah, I'm going to deep fry them. The cooking oil is ready, so I'm going to dip the samosas and let them brown, and they'll be ready. So I'll keep turning so that they can cook evenly. And also guys, if you want to reach out and order or make your order, feel free. I'm making or selling at 10 shillings each, so feel free. My number is on my page. They are ready, and remove them and set them aside. Our samosas are ready. My small chef wants to taste. How is it?
Yummy.
It's so yummy. So what are you telling our viewers?
Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you can say bye.
Bye bye.